TCG 開口部、ファンガード、そしてバディファイト、エイコです。そして遊戯王、そして遊戯王いきます。ちょっとはい、ファンガード、はい、ポイントね。ちょっとね、フォークス、OK。はい。そしてレがオーバークラフト、遊戯王です。1、2、3、4、5、ファイルです。スーパーレガ、オルトラ、すごいね。マジシャンガール、そしてダークマジシャン、すごい。シークレットレイ、ごめんね。Demonic Swordsman, Depstone, Diamond Shoe, Dragon,
メイジェイ
Bloody
カバーアル
Dance,
バムサマーバラードカバーズ
Dead Screen
6月19日
うわ
オンセール。
ダブルレアか、すごい。Very nice。そして2枚パック、遊戯王です。 focus. Hi. 1, 2, 3. Body fight, Vanguard and Yu-Gi-Oh. So yeah, I'm about to flip through the cards again. Okay, wait a second. So we have this. Focus. Okay. Oh wait, this is a rare. I wonder what this rare is. Like there's a foil pattern on it. There's these cool patterns on it, like the pyramid thing. I have not been watching Yu-Gi-Oh for some time, so yeah. But it looks quite cool though. Yeah, I'll just put it back here, Yu-Gi-Oh. Back to the flipping of common cards. So basically, oh wait, this is a rare too. Okay, this is a rare too. So yeah, and this guy just chilling. Or is it a spell? I'm guessing it's a spell card. Wait. Yeah, I guess it's a spell card or a trap card. So yeah, and this thing, this. Oh wait, this is another. Sorry, I can't see the rare patterns on it because it's very hard to see the patterns unless you shine in the light or you feel it's very smooth. Sorry, but yeah, just this and another one, another rare. Yeah, it's a rare with the pattern. So I'll just put it there. That is awesome. So here, this thing, this puppet guy, and this genie, and this random Ultraman guy. He looks like one of the Ultraman guys, the villains in the. What's that? Ultraman Dyna, I think. Wait, no. Oh, it was Tiga, yes. It was kind of familiar though. Like this guy, yeah. And for the Body Fight Vanguard, yeah, I guess I'll just flip them through. This guy. So yeah, that's about it for my opening. Please subscribe, click the subscribe button down below and comment if you have any questions. Don't give me crappy ones like last time or some shit. Yes, so yeah, these are the packs. So hit the subscribe button somewhere around here or something. And these are the bunch of packs. And yeah, by the way, I am actually gonna do more videos soon. And yeah, maybe that depends. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, comment if you want me to improve or do anything else in my videos. So yeah, and yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, and of course keep watching anime, but don't watch too much because it's bad for your health. And of